Have you ever wondered how to bridge the age gap and genuinely connect with younger women? Today, we're zeroing in on the techniques older men like you can use to capture the interest and hearts of younger counterparts. These strategies aren't about flashy displays. They're rooted in communication, authenticity, and the unique charm that comes with experience. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with actionable insights to enhance your appeal and build meaningful connections. Ready to enhance your approach and appeal to the younger crowd with confidence? Let's get started and unfold these techniques together. 1. Embrace your life experience. Embrace your life experience as a distinct advantage. Your years have given you a wealth of stories, lessons, and wisdom that stand out to younger women. Sharing these parts of your journey showcases your depth and emotional intelligence. It's not just talking about the past, it's connecting on a deeper level with the richness of your experiences. Your unique perspectives from both triumphs and trials offer insights that younger people might not have. This isn't about boasting, but about genuine connection through your life's tapestry. Discuss the challenges you've faced, the adventures you've embarked on, and the quiet moments of reflection that have shaped you. Share with enthusiasm and authenticity. It's the emotional growth and insights gained from these experiences that truly engage and captivate. Your stories bridge the generational gap, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Your life's chapters can inspire and attract through the genuine, lived experience they convey. 2. Cultivate contemporary knowledge. Staying current with trends, music, technology, and social issues is crucial. It shows younger women that you're engaged with the world they live in. But how do you weave this knowledge into conversations naturally? First, listen to popular music or podcasts that cover contemporary topics. This doesn't mean you need to force yourself into liking everything. Just be open to understanding what's out there. Follow news outlets or social media channels that discuss current events and technology advancements. This helps you stay informed and ready to engage in discussions that might interest younger generations. When it comes to technology, you don't need to be an expert, but knowing the basics of popular apps and platforms can make conversations flow more smoothly. Remember, the goal isn't to impress, but to connect. Use what you've learned to ask questions or share insights in a way that feels genuine. For instance, if you've listened to a new artist or watched a viral video, mention it casually. I caught this track recently, quite a different sound. What do you think of their music? This approach invites sharing and exchange, rather than making it seem like you're trying too hard. It's all about finding common ground and showing that you're interested in and respectful of their world. By doing so, you create a space where genuine connections can flourish, bridged by the knowledge you've taken the time to cultivate. 3. Communication is key. Active listening and diving into meaningful conversations are game changers in connecting with younger women. It's not just about waiting for your turn to speak. It's genuinely understanding and valuing what she shares. Show interest in her thoughts, dreams, and concerns by asking open-ended questions that encourage her to open up more. Questions like, what's something you're passionate about and why, can lead to deep discussions. Pay attention to the details she shares and reference them in future conversations to show that you've been listening and care about what she says. This not only makes her feel valued, but also deepens the connection between you two. It's crucial to share your own experiences and thoughts in return, but make sure the conversation is balanced and mutually engaging. Avoid dominating the conversation with your own stories or opinions. Instead, use them to relate to what she's saying, creating a two-way dialogue that fosters mutual understanding and respect. This approach shows that you're not just interested in superficial chatter, but are invested in getting to know her on a deeper level. Effective communication is about more than just talking. It's about connecting, understanding, and respecting each other's perspectives. By focusing on active listening and meaningful engagement, you build a foundation for a connection that goes beyond surface-level interactions. I hope you're finding these insights valuable. If so, please hit the like button for me. It helps massively and I'd really appreciate it. 4. Confidence without arrogance. Confidence is attractive, but there's a fine line before it turns into arrogance. To walk this line successfully, focus on quiet confidence, which is all about being secure in yourself without the need to overshadow others. Your body language speaks volumes here. Maintain good posture and make eye contact, but ensure it's welcoming, not intimidating. A genuine smile can be your strongest asset, signaling warmth and approachability. Your tone of voice also plays a crucial role. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace to convey assurance, but keep your volume in check to avoid sounding domineering. It's about expressing your opinions and sharing your experiences without dismissing or belittling hers. This balance shows that you value her contributions to the conversation just as much as your own. In terms of demeanor, be present and engaged without trying to dominate the space. Allow the conversation to flow naturally, giving her the room to express herself freely. This doesn't mean you shouldn't speak up about your achievements or views. It's about doing so in a way that invites dialogue rather than shutting it down. Embracing quiet confidence means you're comfortable in your own skin and don't feel the need to prove yourself at every turn. It's a powerful way to show that you're confident in who you are, without crossing over into arrogance. This balanced approach not only makes you more attractive, but also more relatable and genuine in the eyes of younger women. 5. Show genuine respect and interest. This is fundamental in connecting with younger women. Recognize her as a complete individual with her own choices, boundaries, and independence. This respect forms the foundation of any meaningful relationship. To express genuine interest in her life and ambitions, ask about her goals and dreams, and listen attentively. It's crucial to engage with her aspirations without coming across as patronizing. When she shares her ambitions or challenges, offer support or advice only if she seeks it. Sometimes, just being a supportive listener is more valuable than offering solutions. Acknowledge her achievements, no matter how small they might seem, to show that you value her efforts and progress. In conversations, ensure that your compliments are sincere and specific rather than generic. This shows that you pay attention to what makes her unique. Also, be mindful of her comfort level and personal boundaries. Respecting these without needing explicit reminders demonstrates your regard for her autonomy. When discussing topics she's passionate about, even if you're not familiar with them, show curiosity and openness to learn from her perspective. This not only deepens your understanding, but also enriches your own view of the world. Genuine respect and interest are about valuing her as a person, celebrating her individuality, and engaging with her life's narrative in a meaningful way. This approach fosters a connection based on mutual respect and shared growth. 6. Shared interests and activities. Finding common ground through shared interests, hobbies, or activities is a great way to strengthen your bond with younger women and create fun, memorable experiences. Start by exploring each other's interests and see where they overlap. Maybe you both enjoy hiking, cooking, or a particular genre of music. Engaging in these shared activities not only provides a platform for enjoyable experiences, but also deepens your connection through shared passions. Don't shy away from trying out her favorite activities, even if they're new to you. This shows your willingness to step into her world and can be a fun learning experience. Likewise, introduce her to your interests. It's a great opportunity for her to see a different side of you and maybe develop a new hobby. When planning activities together, consider things that can spark interesting conversations and laughter. It could be anything from attending a live music event, taking a dance class together, or even a friendly competition in a sport you both enjoy. The key is to find activities that you both genuinely enjoy and that can lead to creating fond memories. Remember, the goal is to have fun and enjoy each other's company, while engaging in activities that bring you closer. Shared experiences not only strengthen your bond, but also build a foundation of mutual respect and understanding, making your relationship more vibrant and dynamic. Bonus tip: the art of subtlety. Here's a bonus tip that can make all the difference. When it comes to compliments, gestures, and expressing interest, sometimes less is indeed more. Subtle approaches can be intriguing and appealing because they invite curiosity and leave room for imagination. Instead of overt compliments, try nuanced appreciation that makes her think and smile. For example, instead of saying, "You look beautiful," you might say, "That color really brings out the best in you." Gestures of interest don't always have to be grand. A thoughtful message checking in on how her day went, or remembering small details from previous conversations, can have a significant impact. It shows you care and pay attention without being overwhelming. Subtlety extends to body language too. A gentle touch on the arm to emphasize a point or a warm, inviting smile can convey interest without words. These understated signals can create a sense of anticipation and attraction. The key to subtlety is being genuine. It's not about playing games, but about showing interest in a respectful and understated manner. This approach can make your interactions more dynamic and leave her wanting to know more about you. Subtlety can be the most powerful tool in your arsenal, making your connections deeper and more meaningful. Now that you know those techniques, what's next for you? Discover the best compliments to give a younger woman, or learn how to tell if she's waiting for you to make a move. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.